Okay, maayong adlaw sa tanan. Today we will discuss and answer some examples on how to find the derivative of an exponential function. Okay? So, kadumdum mo katong how to find the derivative. The derivative of e to the x is just equal to e to the x. Okay? While the derivative of e to the u is just equal to e to the u times derivative of u. Nana naman siya ka-simple. Okay, let us try these examples. Number 1, find the derivative of y is equal to 5x. Okay, very clear that the power of e is 5x is not the same as this. Okay, so in other words, inani atong star, mag-let u ta. Let u be equal to 5x. No? So, pwede na po diretso na ta. So, that would be y prime is equal to e to the u times derivative of u, right? So, y prime is e. What is our u? 5x times derivative of 5x. So, y prime is equal to e to the 5x times derivative of 5x is 5. Right? So, y prime is equal to 5 times e to the 5x is 5 e to the 5x. So, inanar siya ka-simple. Okay? Number 2. See the difference in 1 and 2. Dili positive 5, dili negative 5. Still, pareha ra Japon class. Don't you worry. So, y prime is equal to e to the negative 5x times the derivative of negative 5x. Diretso na ito, anyway, nakita naman itong steps, right? So, you have here y prime is equal to e to the negative 5x times derivative negative 5x is negative 5. Then, imo din siyang i-multiply. So, y prime is equal to negative 5e to the negative 5x. So, that's the answer of number 2. So, ilang difference of positive 5 then negative 5? Right? Let's proceed to number 3. Y is equal to e to the power of negative 3x squared. Okay, again, the power of e is your u. So, mag-let u Japon ta. So, let u be equal to negative 3x squared. Then, atong du na ay, di na ta, diretso na lang ta. So, y prime is equal to e to the negative 3x squared times derivative of negative 3x squared. EU times derivative of u. Okay? So, you have here y prime. We just copy this. Times what is derivative of negative 3x squared? Negative 6x. So, ato din sila i-multiply sa atong final answer. Y prime is equal to negative 6x e to the power of negative 3x squared. So, inanar siya ka-simple class. No? Very easy itong first 3 examples. Okay, for number 4, given y is equal to x squared minus 3. So, what are we going to do here? Again, the same na Japon sa process kung sa itong ibuat sa 1, 2, 3. No? So, you have y prime is equal to e. You just copy this down to diretso. Times derivative of x squared minus 3. Okay? EU times derivative of u. So, y prime, e to the negative, to the power of x squared minus 3 times derivative of x squared minus 3 is 2x. Okay? Sa atong final answer, let us just multiply 2x and this expression here. So, y prime is equal to 2x e to the power of x squared minus 3. So, mo nang answer class. Alright? So, let's move on to number 5. Paspas sa kay ko. Magdili man siguro na. Okay, number 5. Given y is equal to 5 times e to the power of x squared plus 5. So, there is a constant 5 here. Again, just the same. Y prime as the derivative, copy the constant, then e x squared plus 5 times the derivative of x squared plus 5. No? EU times derivative of u. Si constant, di pa gawas lang nato, no? So, you have here y prime 5e x squared plus 5 times derivative of x squared plus 5 is 2x. Alright? Then at sa final answer, ato din multiply si 5 times 2x. So y prime is equal to 10x e to the power of x squared plus 5. So, manang answer. Okay? So, we still have 3 more examples, no? At least line-line na ito mga example. Number 6, example number 6. You are given y is equal to x times e to the 4x. It is the product of algebraic and then the exponential function. So, we will apply what? u dv plus v du. Kay product rule man, no? Atong y prime is equal to u dv plus v du. Okay, so let u be equal to x and then your v e to the 4x. So what is your du? Derivative of x is 1. Okay, dv, derivative of e to the 4x kay 4e to the 4x, right? So na kay value tanan imo din siyang substitute adto. Okay, so you have here y prime is equal to your u is x, your dv is times 4 e to the 4x plus your v is e to the 4x, our du is 1. u dv plus v du. So, padayon y prime, x times 4 e to the 4x, so you have 4x e to the 4x plus e to the 4x times 1 e to the 4x. Pwede na po inani ang final class, pwede po inyo i-factor. So, e to the 4x times 4x plus 1. Okay? Pwede na po anong sa ibaba. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay. Example number 7. You are given y is equal to e to the cosine x. So, the power of e is a trigonometric function nga cosine. The same na Japan na process class. So, y prime is equal to e to the cosine x times the derivative of cosine x. So, y prime is equal to, you just copy e to the cosine x times, unsa derivative ni cosine x? Negative sine x. So, imo rin silang i-multiply sa imong final nga answer. Right? So, y prime is equal to negative e cosine x sine x. Okay? So, ang negative ba itong gipagkilid din diri para negative na ilang iyang sign. Okay, and our last example, again, this is a product rule. Y is equal to e to the x times ln of x, right? So again, apply u dv plus v du. So this will be your x, this will be your v. So your dx is equal to e to the x, your dv is 1 over x. No? Ka-derivative ni ln x 1 over x. So this becomes y prime, u dv, your u is e to the x, u dv times 1 over x plus ln of x times dx is e to the x. Okay, so y prime is equal to e to the x times 1 over x, so 1 over x e to the x plus e to the x ln of x. Pwede na po, yun na i-factor out si e to the x. E to the x times 1 over x plus ln of x. Kaya pwede na po ni siya. Kani siya, pwede na po inanan. Okay? That's all for today. These are an example on how we find the derivative of an exponential function. I really hope nakatabang ni sa inyo o nakasabot mo. Daghang salamat sa pagpaminaw.